Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute half up, half down using a headband wig. So starting off, I just sectioned off a little bit of hair in the front and then I created this little braid right behind the section off hair so that the hook of the headband wig can hook onto it basically. So you guys are going to see all that in the video, and then I just did two braids in the back so it's kind of like a protective style. And yeah, so the wig I'm going to be using is a wig I showed you guys before. This is from Amazon, and I just decided like, hey, this would be some cute hair for the summer. It's lightweight like I described in the video before, and it's kind of shorter length, so it's not going to be hot and annoying and too much hair. So you can do a really cute half up, half down. And I've been seeing this going around on YouTube. So you kind of just put it on. You're going to hide that band a little bit, so kind of fold it over some. And then I'm just going to snap it in the back so that it's securely on my head. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking that section of hair that I left out and we're going to begin slicking it. So I'm just taking my Tangle Teaser, and the Tangle Teaser is a life changer because it really helps to smooth out tangles if you have coarser hair. So I like to use this when I'm slicking my hair now. And then also I'm just taking my Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm going to use that to help smooth everything down, and then take my boar bristle brush. And yeah, so now I'm taking pieces of the actual wig from the side and from like back middle part, and I'm just going to begin creating that half up. So I'm just taking as much hair as I feel like I need, what's going to help frame my face and get it to look cute. And then I'm just going to brush it a little bit more, make sure we are nice and slick. This is such a super easy style. And then I'm just wrapping my scrunchie around to create that part. Now you see some of my hair left out in the front. We're going to have to camouflage that a little bit later, but what I'm doing is just wetting the hair so I can get it a little bit more defined. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can keep the big fluffy look, because regardless, when it dries it's gonna get more fluffy. But I'm just taking my edge control and placing that all around my edges. I'm one of those people, I gotta use gel, edge control, all that to get my hair slick, or it's just gonna frizz back up. Like, that's how my type 4 hair is. But that part that was left out, I'm just gonna spray it, and we're gonna create like a little wrap around. As you guys can see, we're gonna wrap it around the scrunchie so the scrunchie isn't showing, and that's kind of like how we're going to blend the hair. So I'm just going to tuck that right in, and yeah, you guys see my hair left out. It's looking really cute. I'm just going to go ahead and define the curls just a little bit more. Like I said, it's optional because I actually like the big look, or you can do the wet look. So it's like very optional, very versatile. That's why I love some curly hair. So I'm using my aloe berry styling gel. I think I used this to lay my edges that day. Or wait, no, I used it to define the curls. So I'm just running this from Alakane Naturals, their aloe berry styling gel, through my curls just to give it a bit more definition. And then once again, I'm slicking my hair a little bit more, and I'm going to start on my baby hairs now, just to put the final touches on this hairstyle. I'm actually going to be doing this hairstyle today. I'm editing this video and I was like, I'm doing this hairstyle again today. Like, it's become my go-to, especially like if you're tired of the headband showing on your hair. This is a good go-to to kind of make it look like you did your hair that day. You know, just leave out some hair, cover that headband up, and you can rock it in such a different style. That's one thing I really love about these headband wigs, and I love a half up, half down hairstyle. That's been like one of my favorite hairstyles for years now. So yeah, y'all, it's a good protective style. Just make sure you moisturize your braids underneath too. Don't have dry braids under that hairstyle. And if you need a good moisturizer for your braids too, you can check out my Lavish Curls Mango Moisture Twisting Growth Butter. It's from my hair collection. It'll be linked in the description box. It's perfect. I always use it underneath my wigs to keep my hair moisturized, and then some hair growth oil from my collection as well. And yeah, your hair will be flourishing underneath a wig. You never want to put some dry, crusty braids underneath a wig, because dry hair eventually breaks off. Make sure you moisturize your natural hair underneath your wig so you can retain length and keep your hair growing. So that's another tip too. I don't show that in the video, but my hair is moisturized. I do not play. I have type 4 hair and it gets dry and it breaks off. So I left that scarf on for about 15 minutes, and this is the final look, y'all. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. It came out super, super cute, and I just love this style. Really effortless, really cute, quick, simple, easy. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye, guys.